Now, you can also work on a problem like this. It's a good idea to always sketch a graph, but sometimes the graph doesn't do a great job of showing you just where the y-intercept is. Maybe it's a little hard to tell. Maybe you're just not the best at graphing. I don't know. But what I could come up with is a point of -5, -2, and then this one is going down 6. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like I got a y-axis intercept that's pretty negative, but with the quality of the graph I just made, I could have made a neater graph maybe and found it out. But what I have, it's kind of hard to see exactly what it is. So what you can also do is you can try plugging into y equals mx plus b. So if I do y equals mx plus b, I can put my y coordinate of -2 in for y. My m coordinate is -6/5. My x coordinate is -5. The slope always goes in front of the x, plus b. Now to solve that, I need to start by simplifying. So you might put that in a calculator and you might notice that the 5's will cancel. One's on top, one's on the bottom, so 5 divided by 5 is 1. So a negative and a negative is a +6 plus b equals -2. And then subtracting 6 gives me that b is -8. Now, that does confirm what I had from my sketch of the graph. That's one reason I do like to sketch the graph. It confirms that I was looking for a pretty big negative number, and -8 fits the bill. So -6 divided to get a fraction, just use your divide symbol. So -6/5 x, and then -8, and submit the answer. We'll try maybe one more of these to be sure we're good on how to do them. So on this one, I'm going to have the point 4, 0, which is over 4 up 0, and then a slope of 5/4. So going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely, this one is a little, well, I've kind of made a mess of my graph there. There we go. Definitely have a negative y-intercept of some kind. Hard to see exactly how negative, considering I had some tech issues trying to get that. But good time to show you how to plug into y equals mx plus b again, since I'm not at all confident of the quality of that graph. And let's see, the y coordinate is 0. The slope is 5/4. The x coordinate is 4. And the b, and a lot of times these are pretty where you get something that cancels out nicely. The 4 was on top because that was a 4/1. Cancels out the 4 on the bottom. So 0 equals 5 plus b. And then to get b by itself, subtract 5. So I do have a negative y-intercept of -5. To write your equation, it's y equals, the slope always goes in front of the x. So y equals 5 divided by 4 for 5/4 x. Be sure you don't put the x down in the bottom, that you go over and put it out to the side there, and then -5 on the end, and that should show you how to do these. The DeltaMath explanation uses a different formula, but plugging into y equals mx plus b works very well.